Welcome to MSD Basketball League Season 3, Week 9. For today's game is proudly brought to you by Marcus Giovanni, MSD and JBP Videos and Photography. For our first game, the team Space Cowboys versus the team JSW Hoopers. No good. Rebound by Ben Tendero. Ben pass two. Rebound by Victor Torres. No good. Rebound by Gavieta. Gavieta pass to Boga Ita. To Johnson Montabon. Back to Gavieta. 2 points for Ben Tendero. 2 points for JSW Hoopers. Dieter Torres pass to Torres. Rebound by Ben Tendero. Steal by Dieter Torres. To Derek Domangkas. Gavieta pass to Bonga Itan. No good. Rebound by Derek Domangkas. Pass to Damon. To Dieter Torres. To Enrico Torres. Dieter pass to Damon Domangkas to Derek Domangkas. Back to Damon. Damon for 2 points. 2 points versus 2 points. Jeremiah Bonga Itan pass to Rujo Gavieta. To FJ Bala, no good. Rebound by Ben Tendero for 2 points. 4 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Dieter Torres, no good. Rebound by Johnson Montabon. Pass to Bonga Itan for 2 points. 6 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Always remember to give respect to our officials and top players. Derek Domangkas, no good. Rebound by Gavieta. Steal by Dieter Torres. For 2 points by Dieter. 4 points for the team Space Cowboys. Gavieta pass to Ben Tendero. To Bala. No good. Rebound by Ben Tendero for 2 points. 8 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Torres pass to Valencia. 3 points by Paul Valencia. 7 points for the team Space Cowboys. Jeremiah Bonga Itan. Pass to Gavieta. Back to Bonga Itan to Montabon for 2 points. 10 points for the team JSW Hoopers. There is pass to Dieter. To Paul. First personal foul, Ben Tendero of the team JSW Hoopers. Enrico Torres pass to Dieter Torres. 3 points by Dieter Torres. 10 points for the team Space Cowboys. 2 points by Gabriela. 14 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Official score, 10 points for the team Space Cowboys versus 14 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Change 5. Enrico Torres pass to Derek Damon Domacas. No good. Rebound by Johnson Montabon. Pass to Bautista. Ano daw? Derek Domacas pass to Dieter Torres. To Enrico Torres. To Derek. No good. Rebound by Damon Domacas. Damon for 2. 12 points for the team Space Cowboys. Garcia pass to Bautista. 2 points by Bautista. 16 points for the team JSW Hoopers. No good. Rebound by Montalvo. First personal foul, Damon Domacas of the team Space Cowboys. Curtis Bautista pass to Lyndon Garcia. Back to Bautista. Outside ball. Enrico Torres pass to Darwin Chua. Back to Torres. Torres for 2 points. 14 points for the team Space Cowboys. Garcia pass to Bautista to Bakud. Back to Bautista. No good. Rebound by Damon Domacas. Pass to Enrico Torres for 2 points. Oh, 16 points. Lawrence Bakud. No good. Rebound by Lyndon Garcia. Steal by Torres. Pass to Dieter Torres. Rebound by Bentendero. Pass to Lyndon Garcia for 2 points. 18 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Torres to Domacas to Torres. Back to Damon. Damon for 2 points. 18 points for the team Space Cowboys. Lyndon Garcia pass to Lawrence Bakud. Traveling. Dieter Torres pass to Darwin Chua to Damon Domacas. Pass to Derek Domacas. No good. Rebound by Bentendero to Curtis Bautista. To Johnson Montalvo. 40 points by Johnson. 20 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Derek pass to Darwin. No good. Rebound by Bentendero. To Johnson for 2 points. Time out by the team Space Cowboys. Thank you to our major sponsors, Manfred Moving Products, Damon pass to Dieter. Pass to Derek. No good. Rebound by Derek Domanca. To Damon Domanca. First personal foul, Johnson Montabo of Team JSW Hoopers. Damon for 2 points. 20 points for the Team Space Cowboys. Steal by Enrico Torres, pass to Damon Domanca. Damon for 2. 22 points for the Team Space Cowboys. All 32 points. Montabo pass to Bautista. For 2 points by Bautista. 24 points for the Team JSW Hoopers. Darwin Chua pass to Dieter Torres. To Enrico Torres back to Dieter to Enrico. No good. Rebound by Ventetero. Pass to Lawrence Baku. To Bautista. And the first quarter in favor of the Team JSW Hoopers with 24 points versus Team Space Cowboys with 22 points. Our referee for this game, Kuya Marlon Maglelo and Kuya Emboy Humeres. For our time operator, Jacob Endaya. Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Derek Domancas pass to Damon Domancas. Back to Derek. Steal by Rucha Gavieta. Gavieta for 2 points. 26 points for the Team JSW. Chua pass to Domancas. To Enrico Torres to Derek Domancas. Rebound by Johnson Montabo. Pass to Bonga Itan to Baku. No good. Rebound by Gavieta. Pass to Johnson. No good. Steal by Enrico Torres. Steal by Montabo to Bonga Itan. Rebound by Derek Domancas. No good.
Backward. 0.
First personal foul, Lawrence Bakud of the Team JSW Hoopers. 1 basket from Derek Domancas. 23 points for the Team Space Cowboys. Another 1 basket from Derek Domancas. Lawrence Bakud pass to Jeremiah Bonga-Itan. To Gavieta. Outside ball. pass to Bakud. Lawrence Bakud. Pass to Jeremiah Bongaita. Bakud. Bakud for 2 points. 28 points for the team JSW. Derek Dumanca. Pass to Damon Dumanca. To Enrico Torres.
Gavieta. Gavieta first.
First personal foul, Rugel Gavieta of the team JSW. No good. Enrico Torres to Paul Palesha for 2 points. 26 points for the team Space Cowboys. Bongaita to Bakud. To Montabo. No good. Rebound by Paul Palesha. Steal by Bongaita. Dari Chua. Montabo to Gavieta. First personal foul, Paul Palesha of the team Space Cowboys. Bakud to Montabo. No good. Steal by Palesha, pass to Enrico to Dumanca. Rebound by Bongaita. First personal foul, Dari Chua. Free throw from Rugel Gavieta.
Sub daw.
One basket from Gavieta. 29 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Another one basket from Gavieta. 30 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Damon Dumancas. To Derek Dumancas, back to Damon. Damon for 2. 28 points for the team Space Cowboys. Lawrence Bakud. Pass to Gavieta to Montabo for 2 points. 32 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Palesha to Torres to Chua. To Dumancas. 3 points by Derek. 31 points for the team Space Cowboys. Official score, 32 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 31 points for the team Space Cowboys. Lawrence Bakud pass to Curtis Bautista. Back to Bakud. To Bautista. To Lindon Garcia. To Bakud. No good. Second personal foul, Lawrence Bakud of the team JSW Hoopers. Dieter Torres pass to Palesha, back to Torres. To Derek Dumancas, no good. Damon pass to Dieter Torres. To Derek Dumancas. Paul Valencia. No good. Lyndon Garcia. Pass to Montalon for 2 points. 34 points for the team JSW Hooper. By Montalon, pass to Bautista to Bakut. To Tendero for 2 points. 36 points for the team JSW Hooper. Damon Donancos pass to Dieter Torres. Dieter Torres for 38 points for the team Space Cowboys. 2 points for Montalvo. 38 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Rebound by Derek. No good. Second personal foul. Ventendero of the team JSW Hoopers. Free throw from Dieter Torres. No basket from Torres. No basket. Rebound by Ventendero. Pass to Bautista. Bautista to Tendero. 3 points. 3 points by Ventendero. 41 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Dieter Torres pass to Darwin Chua. Lyndon Garcia pass to Kerchi Bautista. Outside ball. Darwin Chua pass to Dieter Torres. No good. Rebound by Bakut. To Montalon for 2 points. 43 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Darwin Chua pass to Derek Domancas. To Dieter Torres, back to Domancas. No good. Rebound by Paul Valencia. To Damon. Third personal foul. Lawrence Bakut. Free throw from Damon Domancas. 1 basket from Damon.
Kuya.
Warning number 0 for Roselmin Purapo.
Okay, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Mark.
3. Third personal foul.
Another 1 basket from Damon. 35 points for the team Space Cowboys. Tendero pass to Bautista. To Lyndon Garcia. Lyndon to Montalon to Bautista. Kerchi Bautista for 2. 45 points for the team JSW. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Steal by Kerchi Bautista for 2 points. 47 points for the team JSW. Damon Domancas for 2. 37 points for the team Space Cowboys.
Ilan?
First personal foul, Dieter Torres of the team Space Cowboys. Free throw from Kerchi Bautista. No basket. Bodybuilder Fitness by Mr. Richard Morila. Better Option Shake Protein by Mr. Jean Bolario. Coming Ayun na. Coming soon, One Day League of MSD Basketball League Season 2. Exclusive for MSD Ballers. Every Tuesday pa, Pawis here at Metro Asia Arena Lakers Store. For your videos and photo highlights, please contact us for your video and photo highlights. MSD Basketball League Season 3 is proudly brought to you by Marcus Giovanni and MSD and JVP Videos and Photography. Our MVP and finals MVP will receive a free haircut from one of our sponsors, Razor Works, Pateros Pasig Taguig Branch. Let's start our third quarter. Official score, 50 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 39 points for the team Space Cowboys. Tendero pass to Garcia. Steal by Peter Torres. To Derek Domaka. For 2 points by Derek. 41 points for the team Space Cowboys. Sean Cortez. For 3 points by Sean Cortez. 50 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Darwin Chua pass to Damon. No good. Rebound by Sean Cortez. Pass to Bautista. Bautista to Bentendero for 2. 55 points for the team JSW. Dieter Torres. For 3 points by Dieter Torres. 44 points for the team Space Cowboys. Kerji Bautista pass to Bentendero. No good. Rebound by Derek Domancas. Derek Domancas for 2 points. 46 points for the team Space Cowboys. Bautista pass to Gavieta to Bentendero. No good. Rebound by Darwin Chua to Derek Domancas. No good. Rebound by Sean Cortez. Steal by Dieter Torres. No good. Demon to Enrico for 2 points. 48 points for the team Space Cowboys. Kerji Bautista to Sean Cortez. No good. Rebound by Enrico Torres to Dieter Torres. No good. Rebound by Damon. To Darwin Chua. Darwin Chua for 2. 50 points for the team Space Cowboys. Cortez pass to Garcia. Steal by Enrico Torres to Damon. Rebound by Enrico, no good. Outside ball. Time out by the team JSW Hoopers. Back to the bowling. Bautista to Cortez. Back to Kerji Bautista. To Lyndon Garcia. No good. Rebound by Tendero pass to Gavieta. No good. Rebound by Derek Domancas. Outside ball. Bautista to Tendero. Back to Bautista. To Sean Cortez. Back to Bautista. 3 points by Kerji Bautista. 58 Bertie Bautista. Pass to Lyndon Garcia. Back to Bertie. No good. Rebound by Darwin Chua. To Raymundo Mancas. Rebound by San Cortez. Pass to Gavieta. First personal foul. Enrico Torres of the Team Space Cowboys. Timeout by the Team Space Cowboys. Always remember, give respect to your co-players, officials, and committees.
Kaya namin yan. Nakalang ko sa iyo sa wala.
Back to the ball. Free throw from Ruja Gavieta. One basket from Ruja. 59 points for the Team JSW Hoopers. Another one basket. 60 points for the Team JSW Hoopers. Peter Torres to Enrico, back to Damon. No good. Rebound by Gavieta, pass to Lyndon Garcia. To Bautista. Second personal foul. Darwin Chua. Substitution in Valencia out Chua. No basket. No basket from Tendero. Rebound by Baku. No good. Second personal foul. Damon Domancas. One basket from Baku. 61 points for the Team JSW Hoopers. No basket. Rebound by Bonga Itan. 40 points. 63 points for the Team JSW Hoopers. Derek Domancas pass to Peter Torres.
Sino yun? Ano yun?
Three points by Derek Domancas. 55 points for the Team Space Cowboys. Bonga Itan pass to Baku. 2 points from Baku. 65 points for the Team JSW Hoopers. Free throw from Dieter Torres. No basket from Torres. No basket. Rebound by Montalban, pass to Bongaita. Bongaita to Montalban. To Ventendero. 2 points. 67 points for the team JSW Hoopers. 60 points for the team Space Cowboys. First personal foul, Jay Bala. Free throw from Damon Domanca. One basket from Damon. 61 points for the team Space Cowboys. William Tam. Back to Bongaita. Back to William. No good. Rebound by Peter Torres. Pass to Damon. Derek Domancas. 2 points by Derek Domancas. 63 points for the team Space Cowboys. Tendero pass to Bongaita to William Tam. William Tam to Montalban. No good. Rebound by Montalban. Third personal foul, Damon Domancas.
Pahinga ka muna.
Benendero. Benendero to Bongaita. No good. Derek pass to Dieter. 1 minute and 27 seconds. In, Damon Domancas out. Paul Valencia. Darwin Chua. Outside ball. One minute and 2 seconds. Damon to Dieter. 3 points by Dieter. 66 points for the team Space Cowboys. William Tam pass to Bongaita. To Sean Cortez. Back to Jeremiah to William. To Johnson. Johnson for William. 69 points for the team JSW Hoopers. 27 seconds. Rebound by Montalban to Bongaita. 40 points. 71 points for the team JSW Hoopers. 13 seconds.
Bongaitan.
Second personal foul. Jeremiah Bongaita of the team JSW Hoopers. Torres to Domanca. End of third quarter in favor of the team JSW Hoopers with 71 points And 67 points for the Team Space Cowboys. Thank you to our media sponsors, Army sponsored by Mr. Mike Viral, Mr. William P. Ponce, Coco Party Garage by Mr. Jerry Saba, Magabaw Dating by Mrs. Madeline Reyes, Sit and Dip Walk by Mr. Alvin Haba, and sponsor of our official ball, Evolution. Razor Works, Latero Sahid and Classic Branch by Mr. Alim Uyo. Let's start our fourth quarter. Peter Torres to Mangka. No good. Rebound by Damon Mangka. 40 points by Damon Mangka. 69 points for the Space Cowboys. Torres. Family. Enrico pass to Dieter, back to Enrico Torres. To Paul Valencia. Pass to Damon Donaka. No good. Rebound by Montano. To Baku. 42 points. 78 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Pass to Williamson. To Bautista. 3 points by Curtin Bautista. 76 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Valencia pass to Valencia to Damon Damanca. 2 points by Damon Damanca. 71 points for the Team Space Cowboys. William Brown pass to Bautista. No good. Rebound by Damon. First personal foul, William Tan on the Team JSW Hoopers. Enrico Torres pass to Dieter Torres. To David Demanca. To Enrico. Derek Demanca to David to Dieter. Rebound by Montalvo. To Williamson. 78 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Montalvo to Gabriela. Sabihin mo. Gabriela to Williamson. To Baku. Second personal foul, Paul Valencia. Official score, 80 points for the Team JSW Hoopers versus 71 points for the Team Space Cowboys. the ball game. Free throw from Lawrence Baku. One basket from Baku. 81 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Enrico Torres to Derek. Steal by Gabriela. To Bautista to Williamson. To Bautista, no good. Rebound by Dieter Torres to Damon Dalmata. Damon 42 points. 73 points for the team Space Cowboys. Gabriela pass to Bautista. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Bautista to Williamson. To Gabriela for 83 points for the team JSW Hoopers. First personal foul, Kurtzi Bautista. Torres to Torres. Dieter Torres for 2. Down 7 points for the team Space Cowboys. Gabriela to Bautista to Baku. Back to Bautista to Williamson. Time out by the team Space Cowboys.
Wala tayo magdada. Wala tayo.
Official score, 83 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 75 points for the team Space Cowboys. Back to the ball game. Baku pass to Williamson. To Montabon. Montabon back to Williamson. To Baku. There is a pass to Dieter Torres. Second personal foul. Ruja Gabriela of the team JSW Hoopers. Derek Delmancas pass to Enrico Torres. To Dieter Torres. 2 points by Dieter Torres. 77 points for the team Space Cowboys. Kurtzi Bautista. To Williamson. To Baku. Baku to Bautista. No good. Substitution. Intendero out Gavieta.
Paul.
Williamson to Tendero for 2 points. 85 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Dieter Torres pass to Derek Delmancas. Mancas. One basket from Derek Mancas. 78 points for the Team Space Cowboys. No basket, rebound by Bautista. To Williamson. To Montago, no good. Tendero to Baku. To Williamson. To Lawrence Baku. For 2 points by Lawrence Baku. 87 points for the third personal foul. Ventendero. Dieter Torres. Pass to Derek Domacas, back to Dieter. Dieter Torres for 2 points. 80 points for the Team Space Cowboys. Bautista pass to Williamson. To Lawrence Baku. To Montago.
Montabon.
Second personal foul, Johnson Montabon of the Team JSW. Derek Domacas pass to Dieter Torres. Dieter Torres. No good. Rebound by Darwin Chua. Rebound by Baku to Williamson. To Ventendero to Montabon. Steal by Darwin Chua to David Domacas. Rebound by Tendero. Bautista to Williamson. Substitution. In Cortez out Bautista. Enrico Torres pass to Dieter Torres. To Damon Domacas to Derek Domacas. 3 points by Derek Domacas. 83 points for the Team Space Cowboys. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Third personal foul, Darwin Chua. 1 minute and 50 seconds, 56 seconds. One basket for Tendero. 88 points for the Team JSW Hoopers. One basket for Tendero. 89 points for the Team JSW Hoopers. Enrico Torres to David Domacas. Two points by Enrico Torres. 85 points for the Team Space Cowboys. 1 minute and 27 seconds. Tendero pass to Baku. Baku to Williamson. To Sean Cortez. No good. Rebound by Enrico Torres to Dieter Torres. Third personal foul, William Tam of the Team JSW Hoopers. throw from Dieter Torres. One basket from Dieter Torres. 86 points for the team Space Cowboys.
Wala na kami time. Ganyan yung paisa.
Tendero. To William to Bakul. Back to William to Lawrence Bakul. 2 points. 31 points. 2 points by 89 points for the team Space Cowboys. Official score
92 po, Space. Tama yung sa akin, Kuya.
Official score.
Tama kami isa.
Oo, tama.
Okay, wait. Official score, SW 91 points, 92 points ang Space Cowboys. Totoo naman eh, nakaalis na na 1
Tama kami
point.
isa.
Tama sila.
Tama kami isa.
Meron pa akong score.
Ganyan na stay.
Tama to. Paano mas kahit ano. Nag-score ako, Kuya eh. Nag-score din ako. So sinabi ko agad sa kanya na
Ang score, 9 naman na isa.
92 naman sila. Tama to, 92. 91. Hindi, kasi hindi siya nag-ano agad. Sabi ko sa kanya, 92 yung score nito. Kaya pinaano ko sa kanya.
Ako in-game mo ano, yung laro. 88 po kasi yung nakalagay. Bali
Kasi,
dapat...
kaya nga, nasundan ko rin ang scoring. Ako rin nag-aanaw. So, naano ko
You
siya.
point me wrong. But you point me wrong. That's
The
not...
point is correct.
Correct? Are you
was-
sure? You
Yes,
checked the CCTV?
yes, I'm sure.
Okay,
100% sure. Tama ko kasi nasusundan ko ako yung ano eh.
Hindi kasi kanina
nag-aanaw.
po po eh. Paanim lamang namin, nakadalawang taas sila. Tapos biglang
O
lumang
tapos
sa
ang ano, ganyan o, 91. Kasi nasusundan ko yung scoring eh.
sila po. Dapat mas masusundan nila kasi ikaw nagbibideo ko po, nag-a-announce.
O yun nga, kaya ko eh.
Hindi, I mean sila, anong score nila?
Kaya nga nung nag-ano siya na 91, 92, sabi ko 92 yung ano.
Sa dito sa
Like yung ano, like yung...
Kami dito pa rin nag-base, hindi dito.
Oh, ito nagkaano pa na. Okay na. Enough na. Just make sure.
Paano?
Kung paper mo joke, hindi na list tayo nakadalawang test naman. Eh, akin na naman yan. Tama, nakapagod tayo.
Ako, tama lang ang score ko eh. Kasi, di ba, oh.
Kasi yung free throw kanina, 86, hindi mo yung 86. 85 lang nakabagay. 86 na dapat yung
Nag-filtro kasi din na nilista.
May extra siomay pa kayo?
Hindi nagtagan si...
Ano lang extra niya?
Oo. Mga pito na kami. Isa tuno, tapos dalawa. Di ba mga pito?
Tama na lang ano kayo 19 kasi di ba may ano din siya.
Kasi may stock mo ito natin. Sige.
Okay. Baku to Bautista to William Tam. Back to Bautista to Baku. No good. Rebound by Rico Torres to Peter Torres.
William Tam. Kuya, sino yung William, foul? 18?
Fourth personal foul, William Tam of the team JSW Hooper. Free throw from Peter Torres. One basket from Peter Torres. 92 points for the team Space Cowboys. Another one basket from Peter Torres. 94 points for the team Space Cowboys.
Kung tumagal tuloy tayo, may tama naman yung sa akin. Kaya nyo naman eh.
7 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. 91 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 94 points for the team Space Cowboys. Back to the ball game. Baku to William Tam. To Lawrence Baku. Rebound by Dario Chua. Congratulations to the team Space Cowboys with 94 points versus 91 points for the team JSW Hoopers. (94 points versus 91 points in favor of the Team Space Cowboys.
Ano? Damon? Sino?
Our next player for our game tonight, Damon the Monka of the Team Space Cowboys.
Sir, wait lang po.